You ready? Let's go.
Alright guys, in this one here, we are going to do a 14-minute interval. Remember, on your machine, all the machines are the same. Just hit that big max button, it'll take you right to it. I'm going to set the intensity pretty high on this one. I want to try to get the best I can. I like to try for 500. We'll see how we work out. I've done it once before. 14 minutes is not that long to get 500 calories. So, before we get to the video, remember, Bowflex Max Trainer. This is the featured equipment on this channel. It's what everybody comes here for. If you want to learn more about it, or if you want to purchase one, or if you need parts for it, or anything Bowflex, right down in the descriptions there is a link you can click onto. Also, the coldest official water bottle on my channel. If you want to check out these bottles even 24 hours later, and whatever you put in this can stay nice and refreshed and hot or cold, right down in the descriptions. Just click away. Support the channel. If you can't support it with buying one of the products, you can support it by just a big old thumbs up. It helps everybody find us. Or if you're brand new to the channel and you just swing by to check us out, you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification. That way you know every time we upload. So, get your warm up in, get your water, get your towel, get ready for a great workout. Today is sprint day. I'll see you on the machine. 14 minutes, here we go.
Three, two, one. Get ready to do some sweating. You're in for a treat tonight, guys. Let me introduce my wife, Brenda. She's going to help me out, talking us through here. You're in the middle of your sprint right now. You got 15 seconds coming up left. Remember, you go all the way through here. You don't cut yourself short. What do you think of that sprint so far, honey?
It's good so far.
Is that all you have to say? Isn't that what you used to say back in our day there? You would be critiquing me a little more than that.
It's only the first one. Relax, kill it.
So this is your recovery stage. Remember, on the 14-minute, you have 8 stages.
Looks like you're going the same speed.
I'm not going the same speed. I'm running over a 30-a-minute calorie burn right now.
Doesn't look like it.
Folks, I felt like bringing my wife on because even though during speed skating, if I was doing good, I would not even get a break from her. You still got 38 seconds to recover. Make sure you slow it down as much as you can. Nice deep breaths. In case you're wondering, no, you have never seen my wife on the other side of the camera. She does not like the camera, so she leaves that part all to me, but she does a lot in the backgrounds, and tonight you're going to find out how much encouraging she is not to me.
Encouraging.
We have 9 seconds to go, guys. Get ready for that next sprint. Coming up on stage number 2.
How
3,
many stages?
2, 1. Lay into it. We got 8 stages all together on this 14-minute.
I'm telling you, it looks like the same speed. Oh wait, that little bit up.
Yeah, it's 5 seconds coming up. It's not the same speed. You can tell by the console. I'm in the red zone right now. Okay, guys, back it down. Nice deep breath. Recover.
When you get that far into the red zone, why not?
I'm 51 years old.
That doesn't mean anything.
What do you mean it doesn't mean anything? It has to mean something.
You're old.
I'm pacing above 30 right now. Your average person on a Max Trainer is in between 10 to 15 with a sprint of about 20.
Not me. I'm about 10.
Guys and girls, this is why I don't have a swole head, because if I came through the door with a swole head and said, look what I did, it'd be knocked down right away.
Stop. Not that bad.
No, she loves me, I think, sometimes. 30 seconds to go, guys. Keep that pace going. I hope we're not distracting you on your workout. I want you to have a really good one.
Don't suck like him.
Oh my Lord. 20 seconds to go. Come on, deep breath. You still have time to get a sip of water. Coming up on 15 seconds. Coming into the third sprint.
Do you even need a drink of water?
It's a short workout. 3, 2, 1. Move it up. Come on.
You're just in the red zone. You should go a little bit more in that red zone.
I know. I was just feeling tired today. At least I'm still doing my workout. You are a critic, though.
You're a slacker.
You should come down there with me.
Okay, I'll go down and I'll watch.
There's plenty of room in the studio.
I'll watch. I got that.
Maybe I could take the camera off the tripod. You can walk around with it.
We'll see.
There you go. 75 seconds. Get your recovery. You see I'm breathing heavy there. You know I'm working hard.
I don't see no sweat yet.
Honestly, honey, I don't think my legs are fully recovered from that 2,000 calorie burn. But it's workout day, so I don't have a choice. I have to do what I have to do. No excuses, right?
I guess. I always have an excuse.
We got 45 seconds. You're still in your recovery. You have plenty of time. Relax, deep breath. Remember, guys, breathing is the key here. If you don't get that oxygen way deep in those lungs, you are going to fail because your legs are going to lock up on you. It will not be good.
How can you even relax?
I'm relaxing right now.
It doesn't look it.
I am. I'm completely relaxed right there at that speed.
I don't think so.
This is my normal speed even on the long ones. Coming up on 10 seconds. Get ready for another interval. Remember, this is where we burn the calories, guys. 3, 2, 1. Lay into it. Come on. See? I'm more than just a little into the red zone, honey.
No. Look at the dot there.
Well, that was the first initial one when I had a lot of pep to my step.
Now you're slowing down and slacking.
Well, you know, I can't help that. I'm sweating now, I can tell you that much.
I can't see it.
It's dripping. 3, 2, 1. Bring it down, guys. As you're bringing it down, remember, nice deep breaths.
Now, is this a program on that Max Trainer?
Yeah, this is the 14-minute interval program, which all Max Trainers have the 14-minute and they have the manual. That's what.
Okay, because I only use manual, so.
The M3 all the way up to the brand new Max Total.
Because, you know, I can't do 15 minutes.
Well, you know, I know this awesome guy on YouTube that runs a Max Trainer channel that teaches beginners how to do that.
But there's no TV down there in the studio, so can't do it.
I heard he's pretty hot looking too.
Yeah, maybe. Kind of old.
Kind of old.
Getting all like gray.
Got that scruffy beard right now for a nose shave November. 23 seconds, guys. Keep it pacing out. We're just having a little fun tonight. I invited my wife along to do a little bit of commentary here. I get tired of working by myself a lot.
I don't know how you do it down there with just you and...
5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Juice it up. Come on.
I mean, the music's okay, but...
Now you see the difference in my body language on the sprint?
This one, yeah.
Full shoulder, full arm extension, complete body. 5 seconds remaining, guys. Go through the finish line. Don't you dare stop at just one. See how I eased off of it?
Yeah, I stopped it before that. It's probably why I don't.
Well, part of the training that I talk to my viewers about is always go through the finish line. And that means on these interval sprints and everything. That way you get used to not stopping right at the finish line. Because eventually you're going to start stopping before it.
Yeah.
Remember, guys, the coldest. I don't just try to promote them on this channel. I also use them 24 hours later. Whatever you put in there could be cold or hot, depending on what you want to put on there. You could put some nice cocoa
Cocoa. Cocos are nice. Honey.
Cocoa in the wintertime and go out for a nice walk and stay nice and warm, or some coffee or the ice cold drinks. 30 seconds remaining, guys. We got another sprint coming up. Relax. If you can, go down, get your water. If you got a towel with you, make sure you towel off. I know you're sweating by now.
Yeah.
If you're not keeping up with my calorie burn per minute, just stick at your own, but keep a nice tempo going. You got 5 seconds remaining. Here we go. There you go. Concentrate. Think about something. Think about, if you were back on track or something like that, the guy or that girl that used to beat you all the time. This is your time. Chase them down. Catch them. Get mad. Do whatever it takes. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, bring it down. Relax. We're over halfway there. We're almost done this workout.
You said it was a short one. It feels like a long one forever.
It's 14 minutes. Now, I'll tell you, hon, when I first set out down in the studio today, I did have the intentions of getting 500 calories. Let's see if we can do it. I don't know. Let's make it a surprise. I'm at 335 now with 2 more sprints left. I think it's 2 more sprints left. 35 seconds on a recovery, guys. If you are struggling, if you have to, take this machine down to a crawl. Do not stop spinning. Just because you can't spin where I'm at does not mean that you stop. Okay? You keep it going. Alright? You got 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. You got it. Come on. Keep it spinning.
Faster, faster, faster.
I'm trying. Every time, guys, I want the same intensity on the interval. That's why I tell you and encourage you to slow it down. If you cannot, there you go. Back it down now. This is your recovery. If you cannot keep the same intensity on the sprint going, you are not going slow enough on the recovery. One day you will be able to have a faster speed on the recovery. But that might not be right now, so it's important to actually recover. Honey, when did I buy my machine? 2016 in the beginning?
I don't know, I think so.
Yeah. So when I came out to the oil field, at first I tried to keep running going, and then 30 seconds, guys. And then we tried the gym, and that just wasn't for me. I've never been really into the gym. So my wife and I, we discussed this machine, and it's been a big success in our family. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Come on, guys. Get that last deep breath in there. Get ready for this sprint. Make it a really good one. This is going to be your last sprint. Here we go. Come on. I want this one as good as the first one.
Well, it's not as good as your first one.
I know. You see, I'm
You're
lagging.
slacking.
I am lagging behind. I'm probably dragging right now. I know for a fact I'm dragging right now, or else I'd be right up where I'm supposed to be.
So why do you do it 2 days in a row then?
Well, I got viewers, and viewers like to work out, and I don't know when those viewers are going to work out, so I got to put videos when I need to put them.
Still don't see no sweat.
Okay, guys, you get the last couple calories that you need to burn. All right? You can take it easy if you're satisfied with your workout. Me, you're going to see that I'm slowly boosting it up a little bit. I'm at 455. I set out to do 500 here. I got 45 seconds left.
There are no sprint.
Nope. This is the final. This is the last pace that you do to the finish line. We got 464 with only 32 seconds left.
Maybe not.
What do you think?
No, because you suck.
Oh my God.
I love you.
Well, that's a plus that she loves me. And there you had it. The workout guy's wife said I suck. It must be official. 10 seconds left. Come on. We got 480, 481, 482, 3, 484, and I did not get 500. Oh well. We'll try next time. Great workout.